Looking for the best Klipsch home speakers in 2022? Look no further than our top 3 picks. Klipsch is a brand that knows how to make quality audio equipment, and their home speakers are no exception. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or something with a bit more oomph, our top picks have something for everyone. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Klipsch R41M Powerful Detailed Bookshelf Home Speaker. There aren't many loudspeaker brands as well known as Klipsch, and while some audiophiles dismiss their sound as being raucous and unrefined, others love their dynamic range. The Klipsch R14M and R15M were among the best-selling, inexpensive bookshelf speakers for a while, and their 2018 counterparts, the reference series R41M and R51M, are their exact replacements. Today, we'll examine the less expensive R41M, which costs just under $200. The R41M Klipsch speakers continue the company's tradition of producing loud audio for their size. A whopping 50 watts of continuous power management and 200 watts of peak power handling can be delivered by the 1 aluminum LTS tweeter and 4-inch spun copper IMG woofer, respectively. The R41MS don't need a lot of power to produce a powerful sound because of their 9 dB sensitivity at 1 watt. 1-inch square dome tweeters with horn loading are a Klipsch trademark. For improved, detailed performances, the proprietary linear travel suspension is made to minimize distortion. To ensure great efficiency and enhance resolution and clarity, the tweeter suspension uses a Kapton aluminum blend, a very light and robust material. At greater volumes, Klipsch speakers truly come to life and are a lot of fun. The majority of individuals concur that they are ideal for home theater because of their distinctive sound. They are adequate for listening to music, but better options are available for the same price if loud listening is not necessary. Klipsch bookshelf speakers have a reputation for producing superb front and right speakers, even though bookshelf speakers are occasionally not powerful enough for home theater systems. The R41M performs admirably despite being the smallest in the series, even outperforming several more expensive alternatives from other manufacturers. One of the first things you notice about the R41 Soundstage M's is that it is centered on the listener rather than being uniformly dispersed throughout the space. This makes them particularly effective as desktop speakers or home theater systems, but less effective when trying to fill a room. With the most recent version of the reference line, Klipsch has done well. Even though the R41MS only have 4-inch woofers, you can mistakenly believe that the sound is emanating from something considerably larger. Combining the speakers with the subwoofer can significantly enhance the audio experience because the bottom end is slightly missing, especially if your favorite kind of music has a lot of bass. At number 2 is Klipsch R41SA Powerful Detailed Home Speaker. The stunning overhead sound effects of the Klipsch R41SA Dolby Atmos art speaker will enhance your home theater setup. The R41SA uses Klipsch's patented horn-loaded controlled directivity technology to bounce sound off the ceiling and produce an amazing, all-encompassing listening experience. With its simple keyhole mounting solution, the R41SA can also be used as an on-wall elevation or surround speaker, providing the ideal angle for improved sound effects. With these Dolby Atmos R-capable speakers, immersive sound comes to life from every angle, including above. For a hemisphere of rich, precise sound, add them to any monitor tower speaker or use them as surround speakers. The Klipsch proprietary 90x90 Tractrix R horn technology reproduces live music's intensity, nuance, and passion with the purest, most authentic sound conceivable. It ensures that the speaker's high-frequency energy is directed at the listener and lessens phonological filtering or reverberation brought on by sound bouncing off of walls in an indirect manner. Your movies and music will have the highest clarity, dynamics, and detail when you employ this patented focus technology. With its unique linear travel suspension, performances are improved and more detailed. To provide great efficiency and enhance resolution and clarity, the tweeter suspension uses Kapton R, an incredibly light and robust material. Klipsch speakers are known for its LTS tweeters, which are a key element of some of the greatest speakers available today. Injection-molded graphite woofer cones provide a fantastic low-frequency response with no cone breakage and distortion thanks to their outstanding lightweight and high rigidity. It offers the maximum speaker efficiency in its class when used with the Tractrix horn-loaded LTS tweeter. At number 3 is Klipsch R52C Powerful Detailed Center Channel Home Speaker. If you've ever had a Klipsch speaker, you know that the absolute best build quality is what you can count on. And the 52C is no exception. All black reinforced MDF wood construction reduces cabinet vibration for cleaner sound, and the wood itself is dark and textured, looking incredibly expensive even from a distance. The speaker has a muted appearance thanks to the detachable grille, which features a metallic Klipsch logo on the bottom. The adaptability of Klipsch speaker's appearance is one feature that you simply have to love. When the magnetic grille is taken off, the speaker's appearance is completely changed, revealing two gorgeous spun copper drivers with what Klipsch refers to as their Tractrix horn position in the middle of them. Additionally printed on the bottom is the phrase Klipsch reference, which adds a great finishing touch. The gold facets that are accented all over the drivers, in my opinion, make the design even more stunning. Even though it's a minor thing, it really adds style. Overall, it's difficult to convey how good this speaker looks in person, but it would be the speaker to acquire if you want something that can both stand out in your living room and blend in without drawing attention to itself. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.